The city of Los Angeles, which is spread over more than 100 cities and communities, measures about 500 square miles and is the largest in Los Angeles County. LA's vibe ranges from upscale to hip to surf casual and everything in between, defying a label for the city as a whole. Its attractions include miles of coastline, mountains, shopping, sports, ethnic diversity, and a culture of creativity. There are several areas within Los Angeles, including downtown, the Westside, West Hollywood, the beach cities, and the Valley. In addition to Los Angeles International Airport, which is served by all major airlines, Hollywood Burbank Airport, also known as Bob Hope Airport, is about 20 minutes north of downtown. The Union Station is Los Angeles's main railroad station, and it's the western United States' largest railroad terminal. There is always something exciting going on in Los Angeles, no matter what time of year it is. Summers are warmer, especially in the Valley, while coastal areas experience cooler temperatures and often begin with morning clouds and end with sunny afternoons. Summer is a popular time for vacationers, and there are miles of beaches to keep your blanket and umbrella warm. Summer is a bit busier on the 26-mile bike path from Torrance Beach to Pacific Palisades, but bikers, joggers, walkers, and skateboarders enjoy the scenery and ocean breezes all year long. Despite the city's car culture, public transportation is available in most areas. Visitors should be aware of the city's freeway traffic when planning outings. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, and press the bell icon to keep updated. We wish you a great time. Thank you.